Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Wealth Building Plan from $10,000 to $1 million. First, the goal is to grow a dividend portfolio from a starting amount of $10,000 into a target portfolio value of $1 million. This gives investors a clear long-term target and helps them understand how contributions, reinvestment, and compounding may work together over time. Next, we begin with the starting capital. In this example, the initial investment is $10,000. This amount becomes the foundation of the portfolio, but by itself it may not be enough to reach $1 million quickly. After that, the growth engine is built using three important parts. The first part is dividend yield, which is assumed to be 4%. The second part is a monthly contribution of $750. The third part is reinvesting dividends instead of spending them. Then, when dividends are reinvested, they can buy more shares or assets, and those additional shares may generate more future dividends. Over time, this creates a compounding effect, where the portfolio growth starts becoming stronger. In this example, the plan assumes a 4% dividend yield plus 6% long-term growth, giving an estimated 10% average annual total return. Based on this assumption, the portfolio may grow step by step over many years. For example, in year 0, the portfolio starts with $10,000. By year 5, it may grow to around $71,000. Then, by year 10, it may reach around $169,000. Similarly, by year 15, the portfolio may grow to around $328,000. After that, by year 20, it may reach around $583,000. Then, by year 25, it may be close to $993,000. Finally, around year 26, it may pass $1 million and reach about $1,102,000. Now, the action plan is simple. First, invest the initial $10,000. Next, add $750 every month. Then, reinvest all dividends to increase compounding. After that, increase contributions when income rises. Finally, review and rebalance the portfolio every year. Once the portfolio reaches $1 million, a 4% dividend yield may generate about $40,000 per year. That is about $3,333 per month in dividend income. However, it is important to remember that consistency matters more than perfection. Higher contributions can shorten the timeline, but yield alone is not enough because growth also matters. In addition, diversification, taxes, fees, and market risk can affect real results. So, in summary, $10,000 plus $750 per month, plus long-term compounding, can potentially grow to about $1 million in around 26 years. This is only an illustrative example, because returns, dividends, and market values are not guaranteed. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.